Hey guys, I'm David. Welcome on my generator channel. If you need a new generator, you are in the right place. So let's take a look at this one to see if it's the perfect one for you and for your needs. So let's go.
AlphaWorks Generator Inverter Case 2250 watts Super Quiet. 2. 120VAC 60Hz sockets. 1. 12VDC outlet model. Inverter generator case. This capable generator is designed for all DR professional applications, capable of delivering 12V 120 volts and USB ports of power supply, built to meet commercial-grade quality standards and provide dependable performance. GEARHEAD SPECS. The portable generator inverter has a powerful 79cc engine with a tank capacity of 1.1 gal, capable power of supply of 2. 120VAC 60Hz sockets, 1. 12VDC outlet and 2. 5V182A USB ports, all at a max output current of 15 amps at 2250 watt max. This specific model of generator only produces 67 decibels of noise, making it super quiet. Advanced design. Lights on the panels accurately reflect the running condition of all connections. Overload protector to stop overcurrents, including grounding protection to effectively guarantee the safety of unit and operator. This inverter generator is safe for electronics such as TVs, tablets, laptops and other power-sensitive devices, power outages, camping, outdoor activities and emergency backup power. Can also be used in parallel to provide more power. Parallel box not included. Safety and proper use. Designed to ensure the operator's safety. Always operate machine according user manual instructions. Always wear the appropriate ANSI standard hand and eye protection. The generator runs on unleaded 87 plus octane gasoline, 10% or less ethanol recommended. Max fuel capacity is 0.7 gallons. Only use this inverter generator for approved applications.
So thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.